Hi there mga ka-NG! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be discussing another engineering topic entitled Our Benefits to Mother Nature. At the end of this session, hopefully the participants may acquire the following knowledge, such as what are the things that the environment offers to humans, and what are the needs of human. What are the things that nature can provide us? The answer? Simple. Earth supports every human needs. Abraham Maslow proposed a theory in 1943. The theory was named as Maslow's hierarchy of needs. The theory presents 5 stages of human needs such as the basic and advanced needs. This slide shows the 5 stages of every human needs. The pyramid represents the levels of human needs from the very basic up to the top level. The slide shows the different stages together with the level of human needs. Stage 1 represents the biological or physiological needs. Stage 2 represents the safety and security needs. Stage 3 corresponds to the love and belongingness needs of human. Stage 4 represents the STEAM needs. And finally, Stage 5, or also known as the fulfillment needs, represents the top level of every human needs. Stage 1 represents the physical or biological needs. This need refers to every human essentials in order for us to live. Physical or biological needs include the basic human activities such as breathing, drinking, and eating. Mother Nature or environment provides the basic needs of human. Basic human needs such as the first 2 levels of human requirements in the Maslow's theory of needs, such as the biological or physiological needs and the safety and security needs. Mother Nature provides human with oxygen, water, and food. Oxygen was provided by the environment for us to breathe it in. Clean and potable water for humans to drink and freshen up. And lastly, foods were provided by the environment for us to eat and serve as the nourishment for our body. Now, let us talk about the oxygen. Oxygen refers to the colorless, odorless, reactive gas that were abundant in the Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen has an atomic number of 8 and it is the life-supporting component of the air. 21% of air, or the Earth's atmosphere, were composed of oxygen. An average person can only survive for about 3 minutes without breathing oxygen. Asphyxia. Hindi yan example ng asphyxia. Sira nga yung baso, oh. Asphyxia is a condition arising when the body is deprived of oxygen, causing unconsciousness or death by suffocation. When a person was exposed in a less than 19.5% oxygen level atmosphere, he or she may suffer suffocation or even fainting. Hey, I said fainting with an F, not painting, duh. According to some study, an average person needed about 1.85 pounds of oxygen daily. About 20 to 25% of oxygen that we inhaled were consumed by our body. The rest were exhaled back to the atmosphere. This is the reason why we can give oxygen to other people during the conduct of CPR or the cardiopulmonary resuscitation. The natural source of oxygen was the atmosphere. Nature converts the carbon dioxide that the animals exhales back to oxygen through plants and trees. Mother Nature also provides us with water. Water is a colorless, transparent, and odorless liquid that are one of the essentials for plants, animals, and even human survival. Water was very important to human body. In fact, average people cannot live more than 3 to 4 days without water intake. A person's body was consisting of about 50 to 60% water. Also, human brain consists of 73% water. Our lungs and heart were consisting of 83% and 73% water respectively. Average healthy adult male needed at least 2.6 liters or 0.7 gallons of water daily. And an adult female needs about 2.1 liters or 0.55 gallons of water daily. This slide shows the signs and symptoms of dehydration on human body. When body lost water for about 1 to 2%, the human may feel thirsty. Fatigue, headache, and nausea were experienced by a person when he or she loses about 5 to 8% of body fluid. More than 10% of body fluid loss requires immediate attention in the hospital. A person could die whenever body loses about 15 to 20% of water. Oh no, not again. Nausea, not noisia. Nausea is a feeling of sickness with an inclination to vomit. It is almost the same feeling that you have when you are feeling seasickness. No, not that kind of fatigue. Another symptom of dehydration was fatigue. Fatigue was the state of the body that experiencing extreme tiredness resulting from mental or physical exertion or illness. Nature provides us with potable water through precipitation such as rain and snow. Environment also supplies us with clean water through ponds, river, springs, lakes, and even groundwater trapped beneath the surface of the ground. Nature provides us with food. Food are any nutritious substances that people or animals eat or drink or that plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth. An average person can survive for about 8 to 21 days or approximately up to 3 weeks without intaking food. Sources of food may come from animals, such as sea animals like fish, crustaceans, and other marine animals. Also, we can get our food from land animals such as meat from cattle, sheep, and chickens. Furthermore, animal produce like milk and eggs can also be a good source of food. We can also get our food from the plants like fruits, vegetables, and crops. Examples of fruits can be pineapple, banana, pears, plums, strawberries, and figs. Lettuce, cabbage, and pumpkins are some of the examples of vegetables that can be a good source of nutrition for our body. Lastly, root crops such as carrots, beets, turnips, and potatoes can also be a good source of food. Okay, that's all for now. Let us continue our discussion on the next video. Our benefits to the environment part 2. See ya! Thank you very much for watching. You're new in my YouTube channel. Please click the subscribe button for you to get an updates on my latest videos. Please click like and share if you like this video. And leave your comments below for the improvement of my next videos. Thank you.